tip, I thought it would be interesting to talk about the stages of fear when you're looking at franchises. And so in the beginning, I know if I only have a conversation, or maybe I don't even get to the conversation, somebody says, yeah, I want to talk to you. I really want to own my own business. And then fear is sometimes forget everything and run, right? So I get it. You don't really know enough yet, and the thought of actually making a decision and spending money to buy a business might be crazy. One of the other ones I like to kind of keep in front of me is find excuses and run. So that's a little bit later in the process, maybe a call or two in, and all of a sudden you don't have enough time to look at these things. Your wife really isn't into this. Your husband thinks you've gone crazy. And you just find an excuse and run. And you probably weren't meant to own your own business anyway. And so I'd rather figure out that early on and work with people that are serious, the people that take all those fears in the beginning and then they face everything and rise. And they just learn and they open up their mind to the fact that you can diversify your portfolio, you can diversify your time, you can own your own business, control your destiny, get rid of that glass ceiling, stop answering weird questions from your boss that really are none of their business. There's just so much fabulous opportunity out there in business ownership. So just remember, as you work with me, we're going to address those fears as we go along. And in the end, I really hope yours ends with face everything and rejoice in your new business. I hope that helps.